Hello beautiful faces, my name is Richa Pandey and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be all about clothes. I have a confession to make. I have a very serious problem of shopping at night. So whenever I'm bored, I'm not able to sleep, be it 1 a.m, 2 a.m, 3 a.m, I will go to shopping apps and I will just shop my heart out. I will not scroll on Instagram, I will not watch YouTube videos, I will not watch any movies. I will go to shopping apps and shop. So I have got a lot of things to show today, and let's start with opening the first parcel we have. So like we have so many parcels to open, I will just open any parcel in a random manner. So these are very heavy. Let's begin with this one. It only has like one top. I love Ziploc bags, I really love. Oh, this is that top. I remember. This is so cute. So this is a one shoulder top which is little flowy as well. I will add the try on part later on. But look at this. The fabric is really nice. Obviously you can't wear this in summer because you will feel little sweaty. But the material is really nice. Like you have to tie it up here. And this is how it looks. This is little heavy. I think there might be 2 to 3 products inside. So let's open this. Yes. I think this is the skirt. Oh, this is Georgette. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Skirt looks really nice. Only problem I have is like I will attach the picture. It was like bright white in the picture, but this is not white. This is towards the cream. This is not bad. This is not at all bad. But I was expecting it to be all white. So you can see it. It's all Georgette. We also have a lining inside which is thoughtful. I like what it has. Another one. We have 2 here. Even now coming to this one, this was like all red. But it has come in like cherry red color. So I think what they're showing on the website, the colors are very different. So I am little disappointed because of the colors. So this is a halter neck top, if you see, and we have this thing which you can just do like this. I hope you're getting it. So you have to wear it like this, then you can just roll it, and yeah, it will be like this. I like the pattern. We'll see if it looks good in the try on haul, then I will keep it. This one, the black. So this is a very normal top. So this pattern, I really like the pattern, and it was not in my size, but I liked it. I thought I will just get it altered. So yeah, I got this in the size large. Ooh. I have the polka dot. I do not own anything in polka dots, and I do not own anything in this color as well. So this is a dress. This is a tube dress. Oh my god, the fabric is so soft. It's in the size M. We can make it halter. I will start it and show it to you, but this is very soft. The fabric is very soft, and they did not have like excess size, so I got it in M. Again, we'll get it altered also. Cute pink top. You know, if I like something, I'm like I will get it in a bigger size and I will just get it altered from my tailor. And that is what exactly I did. So this is the top. This is also in the size M. Bell sleeves. And the cutest part is this, the flowers which is here. And yeah, even this is in a bigger size because I like the design, but there was not my size. So I just got it. We'll get it altered again. I'm gonna say the same thing 100 times. Alteration. This is very heavy. So I have these 3. I'm very much excited about this one. So let's open this. We have this blue one. Oh my god, this is so cool. Do not own anything in this color, but look at this. This looks so pretty. Oh my god. The fabric is not that comfortable. Like if you wear this in summer. We have this. I think this is a skirt I ordered. Yeah, this is the skirt. Oh my god, this is so soft. Okay, so this is a skirt. This is a long skirt, but if you see, there's a definition here. There's a pattern, and this was in my size if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I don't know, this is 26 and it will fit perfectly to me. I will style this and the black top and I will show you in the try on haul. But the fabric is really good and it is flowy, perfect for summers. Most favorite. Again, I have one more polka dot. This is a coordinate set. I think a top and we are getting a skirt together. So you know, in price of one we are getting two things. This was also in I think bigger size. Wait, I will show you. So this is the skirt. We have a white dress. I really love the neck pattern of it. See, for this, you know, I thought that I will style this with a white and a pant. Yes, that's all for today's video. I hope you all like the video. If you like, you know what you have to do: like, share and subscribe to my channel.